Got a business in Chicago? Are you interested in helping build the community back up? Well, the city of Chicago is giving away $5 million in grants to actually help you do that. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. In today's video, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a $5 million grant if you have a business in Chicago. Before we get into the content, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows the YouTube algorithm to actually push this content to a wider audience and allows these likes to stay on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes. Let's talk directly into actually about this grant. Now, this grant is great for the community. As you possibly know, the city of Chicago is really going through a traumatic time when it comes to uphill in crime activity, uphill in killings and things like that. So the city of Chicago has put away a lot of funds and a lot of funding to build the community back up, and they're using entrepreneurs to do it. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how the application works. I'm gonna go over to the website and show you exactly how to structure your business to get approved for this. Guys, let's go over to my screen so you can see a more in-depth version of how to get approved for this grant. So guys, this is the website that is actually hosting the article about the grants up to $5 million available for businesses and entrepreneurs as part of Chicago's recovery plan. Now guys, like I said, this is huge and a game changer for the city. As you probably know, I am from Chicago, so I definitely feel and empathize for the city and how it's actually been treated, been viewed in the last couple of years. So this is actually a great trajectory change for the city. The Chicago Recovery Plan Community Development Grant will offer grants that will prioritize businesses in historically underserved neighborhoods. Guys, that is huge. Applications are open for entrepreneurs to get critical funding to plan, build, or upgrade their businesses as part of a $1.2 billion city project. 1.2 billion, guys. That is a game changer. The grants range between $250,000 to $5 million. Business owners can apply online. You click here, you go to chicago.gov. It's going to give you the guidelines and the application. Applications are accepted on a rolling basis with the first round deadline on January 31st, guys. So I'm going to make sure that I release this prior to that so you can get it in. The second round is going to be on March 10th. The City Planning Development will host an informal webinar at noon Thursday to register here. The grants can be used for this. Guys, listen to this. The grants can be used for commercial, mixed use, or industrial developments to fund building costs, including pre-development, construction, and renovations. Eligible projects could include storefront upgrades and mixed-use developments with dining, retail, or entertainment components. City funds can cover up to 75% of total anticipated cost of the project. So that means that the project doesn't necessarily have to actually be fully up and running. It can be something that you're thinking about doing, something that you have a great business model, a great viewpoint on how you can be successful, and they say that they will cover up to 75% of the total anticipated cost of the project. Businesses in historically disinvested neighborhoods will be prioritized for the grants in the effort to ensure the city recovery equability benefits Black and Latino neighborhoods. So they are actually tailoring, making sure that they are prioritizing the Black and brown business owners first, because Chicago, as you know, is rough majority in those neighborhoods. So they are making sure that the businesses within those neighborhoods are going to benefit first and foremost, which is a great idea if you ask me. City officials anticipate the grants will boost neighborhood economies by bringing new goods and services to historically underinvested areas, as well as temporary construction jobs in permanent positions. So guys, this is a great economic boost for the entire city. It allows the city to actually bring not only great business practices and great entrepreneurs where they can benefit and show a positive and public figure outside of the gang violence, guys. So putting yourself in an entrepreneur space where you are actually bringing a lot of positive influence instead of negative influence is a game changer, especially for the city of Chicago. A $1.2 billion budget for this is a very big investment and a very big promise for the city. Is also a very big commitment for the entire purpose. If you have any brick and mortar businesses that you think will benefit the community in the surrounding areas of the city of Chicago, guys, this is a great opportunity for you to take that idea and to actually invest it into something that could actually benefit for the city. Now, this grant obviously is for the city of Chicago. It's not a global or united or national grant. It is for the city of Chicago and to build it up. So guys, if this information helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know exactly your ideas and your comments and concerns about this particular product. If you think that you have a great idea and possibly need some help, leave a comment and possibly put us in a position where we can help you go through the application process before and make sure that it is polished so we can actually benefit and help each other, where you can actually get this grant and actually provide some value to the community. Guys, until next time, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Peace.